Some people will not be happy to see you dancing this evening. Yes. They will be suffering from arthritis of the mind these nights. They are not happy, they are seeing us happy. And by the grace of God, we will continue to be happy. Because ADC, we are happy people. That's why our symbol is a handshake. We bring peace everywhere. When President Bola Ahmed Tinubu became the president of this country in Eagle Square, May 29th, 2023, he promised Nigerians that he's going to cut down on federal government expenses, he's going to cut down on costs, he's going to reduce expenditure, especially government expenditure. But surprisingly, when he became the president, the first thing they did was to buy a yacht worth billions of naira. And that yacht has never been to the territorial areas of this country. That yacht is between Monaco and Paris. And that yacht is still there. I don't know what a president will be doing with a yacht. After that, the man bought an aircraft worth billions of naira, despite the fact that the Buhari government bought one. He bought a new aircraft, Airbus, that has never been seen in this country before. That was not enough. He now bought the same type of Escalade and Cadillac that Trump is using in America. It is called Beast. Since inception of democracy in Nigeria, right from Tafawa Balewa down to Muhammadu Buhari, the official car of the president of this country is Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Even the Senate president drove in that S-Class. Nobody has bought beyond Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Tinubu bought a Beast, the same type that Trump is using in America, not knowing that General Motors for free produced that for the president of America. And the cost of that Beast is 18 times more than the cost of the S-Class that we are used to. Today, that is the Beast that the president is using. Is that the type of president you want in Nigeria?
No.
Is that the type of president you want in Nigeria?
No.
Last year, the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria traveled to Brazil. And we know that if you go to Brazil, you go to Venezuela, you go to Colombia, you go to Mexico, these are the 4 headquarters of drugs in the world. The president came back from Brazil, and a few weeks after, 17 Nigerian drug lords were granted pardon. Is that not the spirit of esprit?